In this video, we're going to show you how to get a free domain and free hosting for your website. This is the most advanced method of creating a complete website for free. By following this method, you can build a portfolio website like this, a blog website, a landing page, an e-commerce website, and many more. We will also introduce you to a free WordPress plugin that can write 1,000 SEO-optimized blog posts for your website per day. No coding, no credit card, no hidden fees. You only need 30 minutes to build a site for yourself. The only real limit is 5 GB of storage, plenty for most starter sites. If your site grows huge later, you can upgrade or move to paid hosting. But right now, everything is 100% free forever. Let me quickly show you what we built. A sleek header, about section, services, portfolio gallery, testimonials, contact form, social links, and more, all customizable. Ready? Let's jump in. First, head to InfinityFree.com, the best free hosting for WordPress since 2012. It's been around for over 14 years, powers hundreds of thousands of sites, and has no ads on your website. Click Sign Up Now or log in if you have an account. Enter your email and a strong password. That's it, super quick. Once logged in, click Create Account and choose the free plan. Enter your desired website name and a free domain extension. The good thing is, if you have a premium domain like wpwiki.com or wpwiki.org, you can still use this free hosting service for that. I'll show you how later. After choosing your domain name, click on Check Availability. The domain is available. Now deselect the email consent form here. Then click on Create Account. The website setup is starting. The website creation is done. It says that it may take up to 72 hours to activate the site, but you can still check it by clicking here. The domain is ready. Actually, .page.gd domains activate instantly. Other domain extensions take time to become accessible. Now we need to design this website in a structured format. Click on Script Installer. Then go to WordPress. Choose HTTP and keep the subdirectory blank. Now choose your admin panel username and password. Make it private and save it in a secure place. I'm making it visible here just for transparency. Then scroll down and click on Install. WordPress installed successfully. See, our website is live now. A default design is set here. Now we will log in as admin. Just add /wp-admin after the site URL. Then enter the username and password we previously set. Logged in successfully. Currently, our website is live, but no design is set. Usually, people hire web developers for thousands of dollars, but I will show you the best method of doing this for free. Go to the WP-admin dashboard, then go to Appearance, Themes. In the Popular section, you will find Astra. Install and activate it. Then click on the button called Start Building Now. If you don't find it here, then go to Starter Templates tab in the Astra settings. Then choose Classic Starter Templates. Now choose Elementor. Then you will find many ready-made web designs. Some of them are premium, but many professional designs are free. Just find the most suitable one. I am going to build a portfolio website now, so I liked this design. Click on it and import that for free. Just follow me. Our website is built. You can check the whole website. Everything looks fine. To modify any part of this page, just click on Edit with Elementor. Select the text or image. There will be a sidebar to edit. Make your desired modifications and click on Publish to update. The page is updated. Now let me show you how to change your site title and tagline. Just go to Settings, General, change the title and tagline. You can also set the site icon. Save it, and refresh the site. Now, let me show you how you can write thousands of SEO-optimized articles using AI with a single click for free. Add a WordPress plugin named DominoPost. Install and activate it. Then go to DominoPost AI Writer. Now we have to connect a free AI tool with this plugin. Sign up for this tool and go to the API platform. Then generate and copy the key. Follow me. API connected successfully. Now let's publish bulk content on this site. First, give some keywords here. You can give a single keyword too. Then scroll down and click on Generate. Articles are starting to generate. This looks so professional. You can add a table of contents too from here. All articles generated successfully. So this is the video on how to get a free domain, free hosting, and free web design for your website. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.